G'day all, here's my beautiful OKMO Lister D. I've done a few more little mods to this. This one isn't as simple as the one I saw on the group yesterday, where one of the members had put two magnets in the box and put some metal strip on here underneath the lid, so the lid just came on and stuck. This one I've done is I've folded a piece of brass strip over the battery box, and I've drilled and tapped for a small brass bolt to go in there, and on the inside I've mounted a small piece of brass that's been threaded to take that bolt thread, and it's worked out well, but I do have to undo those two screws to take the lid off, but besides that, it works really well. The other thing that I've done is I've taken, on the linisher, I've taken the black paint off that wheel. I do like that look because it would be rubbed off in use, and yeah, I do like that look. So there's the two wheels with the black taken off. Next thing I've done is I've drilled, you can see, I've drilled two small holes in the bottom of the stand there, and I can put in one of these fur pins on either side, push that in, and that's locked that in place. It hasn't pushed that in real tight, but that's locked that in place, so I can drive an accessory off that belt without the Lister D moving forward. Now the next thing that I wanted to do, and I got around to doing, was on this drive pulley. It's very nice and shiny, so what I made up was this hobbed drive pulley, and here's some photos now of me making it on the metal lathe. Alright, here's the end result. Here's the hob pulley. You can see how the tap turning on the lathe puts that really nice tooth cut into the pulley to grip the belt. So we'll slip that on, nip up that grub screw, and here's the belt. So you can see how nicely that belt just grips. No slipping, just perfect. Can't wait to run some accessories on the Lister D, and it's going to be a lot easier now with that hobbed pulley on there. So grub screw, couple of twists, and there it's off again. Perfect. Really happy with that. As always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.